For many years, V6 engines were the basic option that nobody really wanted when a V8 upgrade was available. However, this has changed in recent years. The result is the 296 GTB, the first car with a V6 engine to ever wear Ferrari's name and prancing horse. Its small engine does not mean small performance. However, this is clearly no entry-level V6 sports car. The heart of the Ferrari 296 GTB is its 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6. It is a unique design with a 120-degree separation between the cylinder banks. The design leaves a large space between the heads where the turbos sit, fitting well into a compact package and minimizing how far air has to travel between the turbos and combustion chambers. The engine produces 654 horsepower on its own, which is impressive for an engine of this size. However, it's the plug-in hybrid system that boosts it to the level of the most powerful V6 you can buy today. It utilizes an AC motor that, by itself, produces 165 horsepower and 232 pound-feet of torque, powered by a 6.0 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack, which takes it up to 819 horsepower. With all this newfangled technology, it would be reasonable to wonder whether the 296 GTB still drives the way we would expect a Ferrari to drive. Fortunately, there is no need to wonder, as the answer is a resounding yes. Its 819 horsepower propels it to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.9 seconds. It gets to 100 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds. The quarter mile takes only 9.7 seconds, which is what it takes to hit 150 miles per hour. Its performance is impressive, but that's not all that matters. For many enthusiasts, the driving experience matters as much as the numbers, sometimes more. In Ferrari's case, a significant part of that is the sound of the engine. A typical V6 does not have the most pleasing tone. Yet somehow, despite only having 6 cylinders, the sound the 296 GTB makes bears a striking resemblance to the distinctive wail of V12 Ferraris from the past. It's an incredible feat of exhaust and audio engineering. The first true V6 Ferrari comes straight out of the gate as the most powerful V6 car you can buy today.